Morning, students. In the yesterday's class, we have seen what is Industrial Finance Corporation of India, that is IFCI. We have learned everything in detail. Today, we are going to see what is SIDBI, that is Small Industrial Development Bank of India. Okay. Now, this SIDBI is a subsidiary of Industrial Development Bank of India. Okay, now this Industrial Development Bank जो है it will focus only on the big industries, but for small industries they have formed another group, that is the Industrial Finance, that is the Small Industrial Development Bank of India. They will finance only the small scale industries. Okay, so let's see in detail. So here the question may come as explain the working and the progress of Small Industrial Development Bank of India, which is in commonly known as SIDBI. Okay, SIDBI करके जाना जाता है. So this ये जो decision है to set up SIDBI was announced in the budget of 1988-89 and it actually started working from 2nd April 1990. Okay, its functions are an apex institution in the area of SSI finance, that is small scale industries finance. Okay, so it plays the role of coordinator among the activities of commercial bank, cooperative banks, regional banks, finance, state finance corporation and state industrial development corporation. Okay, so it will finance all the small scale industries which come under the by coordinating with the activities of commercial bank, cooperative bank, regional rural bank, state finance corporation and state industrial development corporation. Okay, now working of SIDBI, it includes the following points. First thing is it will provide loan and advances refinancing. SIDBI क्या करता है? It refinances loans and advances extended by primary lending institutions to small scale industrial unit and also provide resources support to them. Okay, they will give the resources which whatever required for small scale industrial development. Second thing, it will discount and rediscount bills. Okay, जो bills है, bills of exchange, that will be discounts and rediscount arising from the scale of machinery or manufactured by industrial unit in small scale sectors. Okay, so this will be discounted and rediscounted bill will be taken by the SIDBI of the small scale sectors. Next is seed capital. Seed capital is the starting capital that is required. Okay, so here SIDBI क्या करती है? It extends seed capital, soft loan assistance under National Equity Fund, Mahila Udyam Nidhi and Mahila Vikas Nidhi and seed capital scheme through the specified lending agencies. Okay, that is the third function that is taken by the SIDBI. Next is direct assistance. कैसे? SIDBI grants direct assistance as well as refinance loan extended by primary lending institutions for financing export of products manufactured by industrial concern in small scale sectors. Next is various services that are provided. What are the various services that are provided? SIDBI provides service like leasing, factoring, etc. to industrial concerns in small scale. Okay, so SIDBI क्या करते हैं? It gives leasing facility, factoring facility to the industrial concern in the small scale sector. Next is financial support. SIDBI क्या करती है? It extends financial support to state small industries development corporation for providing scarce raw material. मतलब जो raw material अगर इंडिया में नहीं फाइंड करते then they will try to finance or try to provide financial support to provide scarce raw material and to marketing the end products of industrial unit in small scale sectors. Next is financial support to NSIC, that is Small Scale Industrial Corporation. SIDBI क्या करती है? It will provide financial support to National Small Scale Industries Corporation for providing लीजिंग आप लोगों को पता है, मैंने लास्ट क्लास में आपको पढ़ा है, लीजिंग, वेंचर कैपिटल एंड ऑल, हायर परचेज एंड मार्केटिंग सपोर्ट टू इंडस्ट्रियल यूनिट इन द स्मॉल स्केल सेक्टर्स. सो जब सिडबी सेटअप किया था, द इंटेंशन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया वॉज टू एंश्योर larger flow of financial assistance to small scale industry. That was the main motive of setting up a SIDBI. That is, government का जो fund है, it can be given mostly to the small scale sectors, because if there is development of small scale sectors, then obviously the rural areas and area which are underdeveloped can be developed. Okay. So SIDBI has initiated unit. Okay, there are many what you called steps for technological upgradation and modernization of existing unit. Okay, so it is expanding the channel for marketing of products of SSI sector, that is small scale industrial sectors, in internal and international market. Okay, SIDBI का जो ये है products, they are moving in internal as well as international market also. It is promoting big way of employment oriented industries, especially in semi urban areas, to create more employment opportunity and thereby checking migration of rural populations to urban and cosmopolitan areas. Okay. Progress and growth of SIDBI. Now we have seen what are the working of SIDBI. Now we will see the progress and growth of SIDBI. From the start till now, what is the growth of SIDBI? Now after liberalization, the terms of assistance were and simplified procedures with the view of widening the scope for larger coverage of the scheme. Some of the silent features are listed. First one is single window scheme. Now SIDBI is operating on single window scheme, okay, which is enlarged to cover units unidentified areas. Okay, the extent of refinancing against cash credit sanctions by bank under single window scheme was raised to 50 to 70%. Okay, and the scope of a single window scheme has been widened by making the proposal for rehabilitation, modernization and technology upgradation of the existing unit. That was the first thing that was taken place. Second one was refinancing facility. SIDBI क्या करता है? It provides refinance facility under SIDBI does what? It provides refinance facility under automatic refinance scheme. The limit of term loan under ARS was initially fixed कितना था? 10 lakhs, but it was raised later to 50 lakhs, so that it can extend the refinance has been raised from 75 to 90%. That was the second thing that has taken place. Third one was equipment financing. SIDBI ने क्या किया? It has introduced equipment financing for assistance to existing as well as run small units for technological upgradation, modernization during the year. That was the third thing that has taken place, was they started financing equipments also. Then on the fourth was the refinancing of voluntary retired workers. So जो voluntary retired workers है, so here for them there was a refinance scheme that was introduced for the resettlement of voluntary retired workers of National Textile Corporation, okay, NTC, and help them to buy up to 4 looms. Okay. Next was the venture capital fund. So SIDBI has set up a venture capital fund to assist the entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs को जो fund important है, that is the venture capital fund. So here the role of SIDBI is very important because it helps in coordination. The main responsibility of SIDBI क्या है? To coordinate the function performed by the existing units which are engaged in the activities of promoting finance and helping in other ways the small industries in the country. सो यर अभी जो सबसे द ऑथराइज कैपिटल जो है वो सिडबी का कितना है 250 crores एंड इट कुड बी रेज अप टू 1000 crores. ओके, सो यर द सिडबी जब आया तो स्मॉल स्केल सेक्टर का वर्थ कितना हुआ ₹4000 crores. So you can see the difference now. Second role of SIDBI was what? Administering special fund. Okay, the IDBI has created two special fund, that is Special Industrial Development Fund and National Equity Fund, which were hereto administered by the IDBI. थर्ड वन वाज यूज़ ऑफ एग्जिस्टिंग नेटवर्क. ना सिडबी जो है इट एक्सटेंडेड फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस to this small scale industrial unit which was spread over the entire length and breadth of the country. Okay, so it is so doing the SIDBI makers use of existing banking and financial institutions which are engaged in catering to the credit needs of small scale firms. Okay, so these institutions includes the commercial bank, cooperative bank, regional rural bank, small scale state finance corporation, state industrial development corporation. All the institutions have vast network of branches throughout the country. So there are around 870 institutions which are held eligible for assistance for SIDBI. Okay, so this is the role of SIDBI. Then we have seen the functions of SIDBI, that is it helps in refinancing, discounting and rediscounting. It gives direct assistance, that is for the finance, soft loan, and also seed capital is provided with National Equity Fund, then Mahila Udyam Nidhi and Mahila Vikas Nidhi. It also provides support to small scale industrial development corporation. Other services like leasing and factoring is also provided. It helps NSIC, that is National Small Industrial Corporation. It helps in technology upgradation. It helps in marketing the outlets. It also helps in decentralization of industries. The progress of SIDBI. Progress of SIDBI is what? It is single window scheme, automatic refinance scheme, equipment finance, resettlement of NTC workers, venture capital fund. Okay, so these are some of the progress of SIDBI. So here these are the some of the details that are given by the SIDBI. So SIDBI plays a very important role in bringing up the small industries in our country. In the next class we will see another development bank that is operating in our country.